GTLB stock analysis and GTLB stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Which is 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Gitlab, bro, this is melting down quite a bit, you know, with a 5.3% correction. I myself, having done 42,000 videos, have seen what's making me money and what's not, especially now with Gitlab, bro. I'm not the biggest fan. Not that I'm, you know, that I have personally against something against GTLB or Gitlab, but it's just bearish market, you know, and even with this, it's tough, really tough. On the lower time frame, I mean, this is still gonna be here. If I was really looking to maybe take trades here, it probably would definitely be on the bearish side. If I'm saying something along these lines. But if that's not the case, then I guess I'm not going to be buying. And I know people are going to love to overcomplicate it, but the more I've been in the game, the more simple I've kept it. And the more simple I kept it, the more money I've made, ultimately. The simple scales, fancy fails. So, yeah, this is like just like about longevity in the market, longevity. And if you do want to stay tuned with GTLB, want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.